step into the Kia 2019 Stinger GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.